What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today I'm going to be talking about how I lost, I think, $280 across 3 accounts. Today is Sunday, January 18th. Beautiful A plus loss, even though it was a perfect setup. I followed my model perfectly. Literally everything that you could ask for, still an L, but can't be mad at it, right? So coming into market open, as you guys can see on Goldie formed this crazy up like gap right here, and that's a very good sign that, again, we don't usually tend to fill those on Sundays on the new week open. And I was just looking really bullish because we had already taken out on Friday, right? We had already tapped into a daily fair value gap, and I was like, cool, if we're gonna open higher than this fair value gap here, it is most likely going to mean that we're bullish on the day. Exactly what happened. All right. I did say to be careful this day just because we had MLK tomorrow, but I still really like the setup, and that's literally the only reason I took it. So I wanted to see a retrace into something higher than a 5 minute. Of course, we had this 15 minute here that we tapped into, and then we had this retrace here, and we also had a tap into this 30 minute leg here. And I was like, cool, this is everything that you look for. All-time highs resting above, right? Good break-even point, good RR, literally beautiful. Wait for the highest time frame inversion here, which was this 5 minute here, or I'm on the 3 minute. This 5 minute inverse fair value gap here. I was like, beautiful, very strong high momentum. At first, I had my TP here, so I had a 1-to-1. I entered on 3 contracts. I was planning on closing 2 at this top and then just letting 1 run, because when we are at all-time highs, price usually tends to just continue higher and just continue to shoot straight up. And that was my intentions for today. Did not happen, obviously, but another thing, I was actually like on my phone managing this trade because I was watching the Bears game. Unfortunately, they did lose. So what I saw was we had inversed this 5 minute, but I didn't close my trade here just because immediately after we shot straight up, and I mean literally straight up. And I was like, cool, I'm just gonna go put my stop loss at the bottom of this candle, which eventually did end up stopping me out. But not mad at this trade at all. So I think in general, 280 times 3 is what, like 6, and then 240, so $840 lost on the day. But I'm not mad at this trade at all. Anything I could learn from this is just really like learning how to target this, because we did take out this perfectly and then we shot straight down. But then again, right, this probably was the equilibrium. I was just so convinced in this trade, honestly, because I mean, no, we had already taken that out, but I was just so convinced of this just because we had a crazy high time frame tap with the higher time frames aligning with all-time highs, and it was literally just beautiful. Like, everything that you could ask for was there in this setup. I'm not mad at this loss at all, and that's pretty much it. So I'm grateful to take this trade, grateful to be here. Hopefully this is another banger dub. And honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, this is how 2026 I've been moving. I've been taking A plus setups, and a lot of them have been failing. Now you guys might be saying, well, how does your strategy works? I've proven to myself that it works. All I need to do is just stay consistent, keep taking A plus setups, and eventually it is just gonna play out. So maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next month, but hopefully soon you guys are gonna start seeing a lot more wins from me. I know I've kind of been slacking in the wins department, but coming back, and 2026 is gonna be legendary. That's all I gotta say. So again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all later.